Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Etsy for AI listing optimization automation easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your internet browser. Type etsy.com into the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Etsy homepage. Look for the sign in button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Etsy account. Next, type in your password. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button below the password field. Wait for the page to load. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Etsy dashboard. From the dashboard, locate your shop icon in the top right corner. Click on your shop icon to access your shop settings. Navigate to Listings on the left sidebar. Here, you will see all your current listings. To optimize listings using AI, take note of potential keywords and descriptions. Open a new tab for your AI optimization tool. Input your chosen keywords into the AI tool for suggestions. Review the suggested listings generated by the AI tool. Select and customize the AI-generated listings to fit your product. Copy the optimized descriptions and keywords. Return to your Etsy listings. Select a listing you wish to update. Paste the optimized description into the designated field. Update any additional fields, such as tags, to reflect the new keywords. Save the changes by clicking the Update button. Repeat this process for each listing you wish to optimize. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.